What's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson. I'm a Swedish online marketer living in Stockholm, and what I do from time to time is uploading a video review of different web services that allow me to post content on their website. And WordPress.com is one of them. And according to SEO experts, and that is the guys that know how to become visible on Google. Well, according to them, WordPress.com is one of the best that you can publish your content on to get seen on Google and Bing and so on. And what I'm trying to do is to bring more traffic to my videos. So let me talk about the problem that I have and that many new YouTubers have, and that is to become more visible on YouTube. And I will show you what is happening. So let's say you upload a video, and this is what I did. I uploaded a video yesterday. Let's copy the title and let's search for my video. All right, search. So this video is on the second spot here. Now the problem is that even if I use the exact title, and I'm very sure that nobody else uses this title, YouTube lists videos with more authority, even if the title is not exact match. But another problem is that nobody search for this exact text or string. They search for this string instead. So let's do a search for that. And if we scroll down, well, it's a long way down. And here I am. Now, what usually happens is that the next day, this video is totally gone, or in 2 days or 3 days. So in order to fix that, I try to increase the authority of my videos by sending external traffic to my videos. So now I'm going to share a little secret of a web service that actually provides me with traffic. So if we check traffic source and click external, we can see that Hiver.com sends me some decent traffic. But that is only 2 views within 28 days. But I think this really matters. This will have a decent impact on my YouTube rankings, because this is something that I noticed when I sent paid traffic to my videos. Let's do a simple standard SEO test before we dive into WordPress.com. So it is a little bit tricky to do these SEO tests because some of these domains actually redirects to a real domain. Yes, you can actually have a domain on WordPress.com and use that as a hosting, and it is very cheap. So let's click this and see if we are lucky. All right, no redirect. 8 online marketing tips of expert marketers. Let's copy this and then we open in a new tab, new browser, and let's search for this phrase, enter, and here we have this guy listed at the top spot. 5 competitors, maybe 4 because this guy, it's probably his domain. But this is not the whole truth. What we really want is to do normal match on the keyword and not exact match. So this is normal match, and this is what people actually type in Google. And we can see here that WordPress was not listed, and I believe that if it is duplicate content, it will take the website with most authority. I'm checking page 2, and guys, check here, Medium. I did a video review of that web service or blog host, and you should really consider posting content on medium.com. So WordPress is not found. I finally found something with a simple match, and we can see here online marketing movement and online marketing movement. A little bit more competition, 414 results. WordPress listed at the top with the same account. I did a search on Path Factory alone, and that didn't yield any results. But check this out. Now we're down to 2 words, but this is very specific words. But what you can do is add the versus abbreviation, so you can actually create posts. For example, if you compare web services, compare different websites, you would be able to rank on WordPress and that is pretty cool. Let's check this one. Page 10, I give up, it's not found. Alright, plans and pricing. Somehow they know that I'm sitting in Sweden and I'm behind a proxy to prevent this from happening. So are you really anonymous? I wonder. 30 Swedish krona, just under $4. And that would be $48 per year, roughly. Just in case you want to use WordPress.com as your web host. So let's dive into this, and we start with a free account. I first thought that I had to buy a domain, but if you check here, you can see that you get a free domain, and I guess I only have to select it. Alright, cool. We are in the dashboard right now, and this is the first page that you will see immediately after you have signed up. You need to verify your email, and this is what I did. Let's do a quick visit to the site, and we have some default seeded content, and it says that only I can see this website. So we need to click the launch button here, and here we face this challenge again. They want us to buy a domain. I guess this is how they make money. So let's click skip purchase, and they are trying hard. Let's see here. Start with a free site. Oh my god. Alright, let's click this. Thank you, WordPress. Thank you. Let's do a quick check and verify that it is live. And yes, my friends, we are live. That is awesome. So my purpose is just to promote my videos, and let's try to publish something. So here we have the pages, 4 pages listed on this WordPress site. I don't need the blog, so let's delete it, and let's add a new page. And it is pretty slow. We have different templates that we can choose from. I'm interested in a blank page and use a blank layout. Starting a tour would just confuse me. Hello world. Clicking the plus sign reveals 6 blocks, but we can browse for more blocks, and it's a lot of different blocks. But these blocks are just blocking my thoughts. I just made a joke. Let's do something insane. Let's copy these images, copy content, and paste. So it kind of worked. For you guys that are new here, I do a standard test. Copy a couple of images and then paste them. And this test, what I just did, usually works. But in this case, we had a little bit of problems. Let's publish this. And the default looks good. Publish. And then we can view our page. And we can see that only the last image was grabbed. The rest of the images wasn't included. But check this out. Hello world. The title converts to a friendly URL name. So let's check home. What I would like to have is my posts listed in the home page. Not sure if that is possible. I believe it is. Let's try to write a blog post and publish. We can add tags. That is highly recommended. The posts can be shared, so I guess this is where you add social media. Alright, publish and view post. Let's check the main site, and we can see that my post was listed here. You know what? I think all these text blocks are actually blog posts. That means that you can't edit them on the main page. Alright, so how do we get back to the dashboard? You click this and then dashboard. Okay, so we go down to posts, and then we can remove these seeded posts. Let's remove the hello world and let's visit the site. So this is what it looks like. So all you got to do is to fill your information, especially the about and contact. The last thing I want to show is the plugins, and here you add all the vast numbers of plugins that you can use on your WordPress site. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade to business plan to be able to do that. I think I found a gotcha that people need to be aware of if they want to choose WordPress.com as a web host. It costs me 3,000 Swedish kronor. So how much is that? In US dollar, that is $362 for 1 year if you want to be able to use WordPress plugins. What you can do to get around that price is to choose a real web host. So let's say Bluehost, HostGator. So let's say €3 per month. That is $364. And for a year, that is $43. And for $43, you get WordPress included. You can install WordPress on your website, and the plugins are included, of course. So $43 compared to $362. It is quite a big difference. So that was pretty much I want to show you. There are a gazillion other things that I could demonstrate with WordPress. If there is something that you would want me to elaborate on, then don't hesitate to write a comment and ask me anything. I will see what I can do. Let's see how I am doing, and maybe I can inspire you to do the same. Check how the traffic is increasing, and I get free traffic from YouTube, from Google, from external sites, and this works in favor for my online marketing strategy. And what I do is build more and more authority so that I can get seen with more competitive keywords. This is something that will take time, and I strongly recommend you start as soon as possible so that you one day can pick the fruits, so to say, of the tree that we are growing. You would want to grow your tree and make enough money so that you perhaps can quit your job, and you want to choose the right affiliate program to do that. Don't use a simple ClickBank product or a low ticket product. Choose something that will actually earn you high commissions. And I have the perfect system to do just that. If you are interested to see what that system is, you can click the link in the description below this video. It has all the video training that you need to start your online business. And I'm talking about real video training, the kind of training that teach you step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business, but also other kind of online business like selling on Amazon, whatever it is. This system will definitely help you. And if you need any help with getting started, don't hesitate to connect with me and I will help you out. Alright, so this is what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you got something out of this that taught you something that you felt was of value to you, then why not click the like button? When you click the like button, it tells YouTube that you recommend this video to other people, and that would really help me out. Also click the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you will not miss any of my new videos that I publish. Anyway, stay awesome, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.